guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Craftomania. So today I am going to show you how to make these really beautiful earrings. But before we begin, I would request all of you to please like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe because a very less percentage of my viewers have subscribed. So let's begin. So for this earring you are going to need a canvas sheet, some brushes, acrylic colors, these tools, scissors, fabric glue, some pins and hooks, and this kind of lace. So let's get started. So first we are going to make two circles in this canvas sheet. I am going to use this to make a perfect circle. We are going to use two of the circles for one earring and the other two for another one. Now we are going to cut it. Now we are going to color one side of the circle with black color. So I have colored all of them. Now we are going to take the lace. I am going to measure it. For measuring, we have to flip the circle and put it right on the sides. Put the lace right on the sides, and then you have to cut it according to the measure, like this. Right over here. So I'm going to cut this part and I will stick it using the glue. Like this. Now I'm going to stick another circle like this right behind it so that both the sides look the same. So let's put the glue and stick it. We are going to let it dry for a while and we will do the same exact thing with this one. like this. Now we are going to let it dry. So these have dried up. Now I'm going to take a white color pencil and I'm going to draw something over here. You can draw whatever you want. I'm going to draw Ganesha. I've drawn it. Now I'm going to take white acrylic color, a little bit water and a brush. If you are drawing whatever I am going to draw, then use a thin brush. So I have done coloring the earrings. Now I am going to let it dry. Then we are going to put the hook. So now for making the hooks, we are going to use these pins. So first you have to take a pin like this and you have to use this kind of tool to move it and make it in this circle shape. Like this. We have to make this kind of shape. 4 shapes we have to make, 2 for this, 2 for this. And first we are going to put one inside the another one like this. Now I'm going to close it, and this is the other one. In this one I'm going to put the hook and close it. Like this. For putting it in here, we are going to use another tool for making a hole. So I'm going to make a hole right over here. Like this. Now I'm going to make the bottom one go through this. See, our earring is ready. Now we are going to do this same process in this one too. So I have put the hook in the other one also. Now I am going to put some more designs. So I am using these small decorative items. So for putting this, you will need some more circles using the pins, which are like this one and this one. You will need 2 only. And first I'm going to put it on the bottom part. So I'm going to make a hole right over here and press it. Now I will put 3 of these inside the one circle. like this. Now I will put this in the hole. Look, like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. See, I've done the same thing, and our earring is fully ready. So we have done making these really beautiful earrings. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye.